Elena says, what's your opinion, experience on CBD medical cannabis? I drink CBD tea. I put it in tea right now. I bought it 2 weeks ago. I used to smoke it, but any smoke I don't think is very good for the lungs. So I just put it in tea. And I think it's very good for stress, for adrenal fatigue, for grounding, healing, getting more into the body. I think CBD in tea is okay. Any herbal tea I think is good. Just don't overdo it. Christine said, me too, I like that. Kathy says, what's the issue with THC in microdoses but CBD being okay? I'm not anti-THC, I'm just saying that I don't recommend weed to people because I've been addicted to weed. I have smoked every day multiple times for years. Like, days off weed were my conscious altering days instead of being when you smoke. I was shifting consciousness the days when I didn't smoke, coming back to myself finally. But if, like, marijuana is not harmful unless you abuse it. Just like everything is a medicine until you take too much of it and then it becomes poison. So I don't have an issue with THC. Just use it with good intention. Use it ritually. Use it. Don't use it just because you're bored. Use it either, okay, I'm gonna use it and then relax and meditate and stretch and go for a walk and just chill, listen to some music, watch a good movie, and use it now and then. Use it like once a month or something. Give yourself time between, and always have a good setting, good person next to you, good environment, good intention, most important. You want to paint, smoke and then paint. You want to dance, smoke and then dance. Go to a concert, smoke and dance, stuff like that. Just don't make it like a daily thing where it's a thing to do all in itself. Like, I'm gonna smoke because there's no better thing to do, or because it's just something that I'm used to doing. Then Mary Jane becomes a jealous girlfriend, and you become codependent to her, and she becomes this spirit that's very angry at you when you spend time with anything else. She becomes this jealous girlfriend that every time you have fun or try to have fun without her, she sort of creeps into your emotion and goes like, come on, you're not gonna bring me along? I'm gonna make you miserable now. And then emotions come.